Hi everyone, welcome to Ohun Ede Yoruba TV.
This one we call it okra. This one you can say a line. And this one is also a tan. A tan in Yoruba land. A tan in Yoruba land. This is okra. We can say finger ladies. They also call it finger ladies. So ila, okra is a draw soup here. Ila, call it out. Ila, in, Ila, remi, ila, iremi, ila, remi, and this one is a line. Ila, call it ila, ila, dodo, ila, dodo, ila, and I've told you that it's a tan here. Ila, domi, ila is a tan in Yoruba land. Domi, ila. So this one is okra. Ila, remi, line, ila, dodo, ila, domi, ila, domi. So another one, we have let's say Agbon. This is coconut, our shin, and also Agbon, baskets. You can see that this one also have different remi, dodo, domi, ila. So also this one now, coconut, agbon, also two syllables. If you could remember, I told you about the vowel Oro Faweli, Aranmupe, the one you call like when you have mucus. N, in, I told you there are 5 in vowel. So now we are now referring to it. Agbon. It's also 2 letters. Agbon. You can see. Agbon. This one is a vowel, consonants, vowel. In Yoruba, Faweli, Consonanti, Faweli. And this one is Faweli Aranmupe. The one I told you that when you are calling it, is as if that you have mucus in your throat or your nose. So coconut, agbon, in, dore, agbon, agbon, dore, do, re. You can see that I did not put any sign now at the top. Agbon, do, re, agbon, do, re, agbon, do, re. Now our shin, agbon, 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 in, do, agbon, 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 do. Now can you see that I did not put any sign at this letter N? Agbon. I put sign at the top of vowel. Faweli, vowel. Agbon, agbon. Now this is basket, which is agbon, 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 redo, agbon, redo, agbon, redo, agbon, redo, agbon. Dore, agbon, agbon, dodo, shin, dodo, agbon, remi, agbon, agbon, redo, agbon. Sorry. So still remain one. Let me say, yeah, B. That bitter, that B that usually bite somebody. Agbon, we call it agbon, B. Agbon, remi, yes. Agbon, remi, agbon, remi. Can you see that you have different meaning now with the sign? This one, okra, ila, line, dodo. Tan, ila, domi. Coconut, agbon, domi. Shin, agbon, dodo. Agbon, basket. B, that's bitter is usually by somebody, agbon, remi, agbon, remi, agbon usually build his house at the corner of house. That's B. So we still have some like igbin. Now I will now write some that is not in the same form. That I want you to put a sign on it.